So duct tape is really good for anything, isn't it?
Yep. Well, it beats glass in your eyes.
That's damn sure.
What's the difference between now and tonight?
They try not to crash into each other too much. Tonight it's not a figure eight. They just crash.
Tonight they just smash.
This is different.
Yeah.
738, something like that, yeah.
There's a lot of crashing either way.
I know, it's just different. They didn't have two separate things. It was a double figure eight, and they just crashed into each other all they wanted.
Okay.
There was no separate demolition part to it.
I think that...
You gotta move, sir.